So we are gonna do a singing contest. Okay, make sure you comment down below to tell us who's the best singer. Okay. Okay.
Make sure you pick me.
Now, you go. Sing.
Should I sing a whole song?
No, just a little bit. Do you want me to sing first?
No, it's not.
Okay, I'll sing. Okay. Ooh. I'll sing my part that I'm practicing. So we only have to pick a little part out of a song. I'm doing Million Dreams because that's what I'm doing for my recital. Back up. Guys, stand up. Okay. Wait, stop showing me the part to the camera.
You can't sabotage your competitor.
Go, Addie, go.
Okay. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one that make you smile on a rainy day.
Not fair.
Okay, that was it. Okay,
Wait, no, wait a minute. Okay.
I know, I just said it was it for me.
Give me a second, I need to get this done.
You sing that. Fine.
Give me a second, I need to get my stomach straight. Friends on the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. Never sees a winter woman just cross by. He's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about the sky. That's it.
Okay.
Good.
That was like all in one breath.
Oh, that was good.
I'm about to die. I didn't like my worst voice and stop doing that. I only crush my guts.
No, I want you to do your best voice then.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do your best voice.
Okay, and see that.
That's the whole point of
Give
singing.
me a second, I need to get my stomach straight. Friends on the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. Never sees waiting for me and just cries past. He's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about the sky. I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to
Okay,
forget.
listen. We don't want them to be bored.
Good. It's been good. I liked it.
No, I think it was good. It was just, we need to do something else. Like,
People, cough up the dough. Who's the best?
So, make sure you comment down below. Don't cough up the dough, but comment down below. Who is the best singer? Bye.